Hey, welcome to this online instruction guide on how to make your iGrowCan. Step 1. Place the spacer on the table as a base plate. Make sure that the holes are facing up. Step 2. Put the cocoa disc in the spacer. Step 3. Give the cocoa disc gradually water and wait 15 minutes to let the cocoa disc swell. Step 4. Put the cocoa disc inside the iGrowCan. Step 5. Take the all-in-one fertilizer and scatter it in the cocoa disc. Step 6. Mix the all-in-one fertilizer with the cocoa disc. Step 7. Place the spacer on the table as a base plate. Make sure that the holes are facing up. Step 8. Take the grow plug and place it in the spacer. Step 9. Give the grow plug approximately 200 milligrams of water and wait 5 minutes to let the grow plug swell. Step 10. Make a little hole inside the cocoa disc for the grow plug. Step 11. Gently tuck in the seed in the hole. Make sure to be gentle and close the hole after you put in the seed. Now carefully put the grow plug with the seed inside the cocoa disc. Make sure not to bury the grow plug. Leave the top above the cocoa disc. You are done! iGrowCan. Yes, you can! A giveaway for a happy day.